Top 5 best pancake house in Indianapolis. Today we're gonna try this place called Morning Breakfast and Brunch on the north side of Indianapolis. Alright, so we got our table. This is my brother, came in today. Okay, so this is their menu. And I'm gonna ask him about the special, so I'm gonna find out what they got. All right, so we just noticed that they do have the good quality creamer, the sugars. They got raw sugar.
Juice.
Oh, órale.
Es el que compramos localmente.
Ajá.
Okay.
Es una compañía hermana.
Okay.
Entonces este lo hacemos fresco, natural, 100%. Piña, mango y naranja.
Oh, órale.
It's a mixture of mango and orange and pineapple.
Signature.
A signature morning juice. And you try it first.
I can taste the mango. Orange definitely. Pineapple not as much.
All right, I'm anxious to taste mine. Yeah, it tastes, I mean, you can taste the mango and the orange, and it has an acidic taste, so that must be the pineapple. You can taste all three, like I'm serious. You can taste all three. And this is more like a brunch. It has eggs. It has eggs on top, scrambled eggs, some mozzarella cheese, pico de gallo, beans, and mixed with chorizo sausage or Mexican sausage, and the bread on the bottom. It looks good, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I don't know if it's if you eat it like this or what. I'm just gonna eat it whatever. Tastes really good. I already took a few bites. I like it, except I just gotta be honest with you. If you don't like spicy food, this one's a little spicy. I guess they put some kind of cheese. What is it called? Queso?
Pepper jack?
No, I don't know if it was pepper jack or something, but just gotta warn you, it's a little, not like extremely spicy, not extremely spicy, because I actually like spicy food, so this one's good to me.
But for a Latino, still like ketchup, right?
Yeah. I love blueberries and all kinds of berries. And, It tastes good. Yep, it tastes cinnamon. I think the cream cheese has some kind of cinnamon. Yeah, I do like it.
Tastes very dairy.
It does.
Very.
I got to try the French toast and the pancakes. I used to work at a pancake house, and people would ask me what I like best. And in my opinion, I really liked both. But I'll be honest with you guys, French toast was definitely a winner. I think it's the fact that the way they made it, the way they put all the toppings, the fruits and all the stuff, maybe that's why I like them better than the pancakes, but that's just my personal opinion. So French toast was definitely the best. That was it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and also watch the full interview we have with the manager of this restaurant. I will see you on the next review. Thanks. Ciao.